Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video. I am going to be basically teaching you guys how you can go ahead and crop videos on your Premiere Pro application on your desktop. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial video, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So for example, I have this clip of me just walking around my car, and let's say I'm making a music video, right? If I just want me walking around the car, how do I go ahead and crop out the video that's on the front? So what you do is over here, you can basically go ahead and click on selection tool, or basically press V on your keyboard and go to your timeline where your clip is, and go ahead and click on the starting of the clip that you want to remove, and you can simply go ahead and drag your mouse in front, and as you can see on the timeline, the video will show you where the clip is currently. So I want it to go here, and as you can see on the right side, there is also the duration of the video. As you can see, the video is 30 seconds long, and I am just trimming it to 24 seconds, or cropping it to 24 seconds, as you can see. So when I move it there, as you can see, my video is cropped, and now it will start from me walking around, right? So that is basically how you can go ahead and crop your clip and move it on the timeline. And even if I don't want the clip of me walking back, I can simply go ahead on the end of the video and crop that to the part where I'm not there. So as you can see, I have cropped the video successfully for a music video. And that is basically how you can crop videos on your Premiere Pro timeline. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And with that being said, feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. And thank you for watching.